Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Drewie. Yes, I'm back. So today I'm going to be making you some American chopped suey, which is what it's called here in New England. But in other parts of the country it's called American goulash, whatever it's called. It's yummy as heck. So I'm going to show you what I have to do and I'll get back to you. So here we have the ingredients for my American chopped suey. We have a green pepper, which I know Andy from Good Times Production doesn't like. You can admit this if you want. We have an onion, which we need 1 cup of. We need 1 stalk of celery cut, some garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, 2.5 cups. Oh, is it 2.5? I'm not sure. 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 16-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 16-ounce can of diced tomatoes, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, 1 cup of elbow macaroni, and some minced garlic. So I'm gonna get the chopping because everything has to be diced. So I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna dice all these vegetables up. See you then. Okay, here we are. We're gonna crumble about, with this knife out of the way, we're gonna crumble about 1.5 pounds of ground beef in a pan on medium-high heat, as you can see here. Just give it brown it so you don't see any more red. Make sure you put it on medium-high because you gotta make sure it's done. So after this is browned, I'm going to add some other stuff. So I will see you then. Bye. Okay, so doing this with one hand, and then 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Put this down for a second. I'm going to sprinkle a little more over here. Some on the counter, sorry. 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. Just a little more. Just a little bit. Kind of messed up a little bit. More seasoning is better than nothing. And we need 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder. So here we go. Garlic powder. Okay. 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Here, 1. 2. Combine that, put that to the sink, stir this around a little bit. Just, you gotta combine it. Just stir it up. With a spoon, whatever. It smells really good in here. Oh my god. I made this before and it turned out really good. Just make sure you stir it up really good. You know. Just stir it up. Even it out a little bit. So there. Now we're going to add green peppers and our onions, which we put into the microwave to soften them up a little bit. I'm going to just drain them a little bit here. So I put a little water in there. I'm going to dump that in there. Make sure they all get in there. Make sure it's turned out to medium high, as you really need this to cook. Cook this for about 4 or 5 minutes. Make sure it's mixed up pretty good. And we'll see you then. Here we go. Sorry, fix the tripod here. Once again, here we go. Now, the recipe calls for 4 cloves of garlic minced, but I'm going to put like maybe 2.5. This has got a little olive oil in it, which is good. We mix it up a little bit. Just a little more. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Now we stir this sucker up. Make sure it cooks. You don't want raw garlic in your American chop suey. You stir it up and cook it for about a minute. Just flatten this out. Stir it a little bit in. Just show it here. Yummy. Probably steaming up the camera. It looks okay. Here we go. So we're gonna put a can, of diced tomatoes. Can of tomato sauce. Don't make sure the thing doesn't fall in there. And I have almost 2 cups of chicken broth here. As you put the chicken broth in. And then you just add, okay, here we go. Now we're going to add 2 cups of elbow macaroni. That's got to be stirred up. Okay, just going to stir it up. Mix it well. Use a spoon, wooden spoon, whatever you want. Okay, so now when the spoon goes in the sink, this gets turned up, and then we're going to cover this, but not before we bring this to a gentle boil. It's just medium-high heat. So we're going to wait, see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens when this boils. You can also scrape it with a silicone spoon, because you don't want to do anything bad to the chop suey. You don't want the tomatoes to burn, so you gotta scrape them out of the bowl. You know what we're gonna do? It's really hard filming with one. It really is. It really is. So we're gonna cover this with that, and we're gonna cover it up. And I'll see you. Sorry. I'll see you when this is all done. See you then. Okay, here we are. It is done. You look at this. The macaroni has thickened it up. So I'm going to turn this down. I'm going to take a forkful. I'm going to spoonful right here. Look at that. Sorry, it's steaming up everything. Hopefully the peppers are not as crunchy as they were last time I made it, but that's why I microwaved them a little bit. But here we go. Oh, it smells so good, man. Oh, good. I haven't eaten all day, so I'm starving. Still crunchy, but so stinking good. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so good. And cool down to like room temperature. Oh my god. I'm saying oh my god too much. Oh lord. This is, oh my god. Up. Lift that up. Oh god, it's still hot. It's in a bowl, as you can see. It's steaming hot. I'm gonna wait for it to cool down a bit. This is so easy to make. The only thing that's time consuming, as you can see in the video, is dicing all the vegetables. Other than that, this is super simple to make. It'll feed your entire family. And it only cost about 20 bucks, maybe $20 for everything. Well, unless you buy Lee and Perrin's Worcestershire sauce. But if you buy store brand Worcestershire sauce, you should be fine. Here we go. Oh my god. I could eat this every day for a week. I really could. Oh god. This is so good. Lucy doesn't like it. She's that. I gave it to her. She likes it, but it kind of messed up her stomach. So this is all me, people. Oh. That's why Lisa's not in the video today. She would have tasted this today, but the last time I gave this to her, it kind of messed up her stomach, so this is the best. Alright everybody, thank you for joining me on another cooking adventure today. I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel out. Thank you so much. Until next time, up and dance everybody.